Hello students, in social science, the second chapter, motions of the earth. So in this chapter, you learn about motions of the earth. The earth moves in two ways, rotation and revolution. Two words, rotation and revolution. Like other celestial bodies, the earth rotates on its own axis and also revolves around the sun. The moon and earth are constantly in motion. Motions of the earth. Here, what is rotation? Moving on its axis. Revolution, revolving around the sun. So here you got the doubt. What does rotation of the earth means? Okay, you got, and just curiosity may arise in you that what does rotation of the earth mean? As the earth rotates on its imaginary axis, the speed of rotation at any point along the equator is approximately 670 km per hour. The earth takes 24 hours to complete one rotation. Again, in your mind, the question may be arise. Why is the sun seen only during the day and the moon at night? How are day and night caused? You must probably have thought about such questions. The earth revolves around the sun at the speed of approximately 1780 km per hour. 1780 per kilometer per hour. The moon revolves around the earth and the earth revolves around the sun. The moon revolves around the earth and the earth revolves around the sun. Again, dear students, the earth moves in two ways, rotation and revolution. There are two motions of the earth, rotation, moving on its axis, and revolution, revolving around the earth. Okay, in this chapter, we learn about rotation, revolution, days and nights form, cycle of seasons, orbit of the earth. Rotation. The earth rotates like a spinning top as you seen on the screen. The earth rotates like a spinning top on its imaginary axis at a speed of 1670 km per hour. However, the equator, this motion of the earth is called rotation. The earth takes 24 hours one day to complete one full circle. Again, here, what is revolution? While rotating on its axis, the earth also moves around the sun. This motion of the earth is called revolution. The earth takes 365 days, 1 year, to complete one revolution around the sun. This period is called a year. Between 21st March to 21st September, northern hemisphere is tilted towards the sun. So during this period, sun rays fall straight over the northern hemisphere and it gets more sunshine and more heat. The days are also longer, so there is summer in the northern hemisphere between 21st March to 21st September. Here again, revolution. This is the earth orbit around the sun. One complete revolution takes about 365 days.